Happy birthday, Kuya Dan! It's your 40th birthday. So sabi nga nila, life begins at 40. Ang wish ko, syempre, more blessings to come. Good health, long life, yung mga usual, alam mo yun. Tapos sana, syempre, matagal-tagal pa tayo magsama-sama nila Kuya Noel. So, thanks for the friendship. You're my family here in Dubai as well. And for being a business partner. So, I've known you for a decade now. Enjoy Pinas. Enjoy your day. And God bless. See you soon in Pinas. Love you. Bye.
Happy birthday, Kuya Dan! Wishing you all the best, Kuya. And thank you sa lahat. Thank you for the love. Ingat. Thank you, ingat. Enjoy your vacation, Kuya. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Bye-bye. Happy birthday, Kuya Dan.
Wish you good health and more happiness.
Mabuhay ka mo gusto mo. Birthday Nino.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday. Love you. Love you.
Pakain na ang Sharon Cuneta.
Hi Kuya Dan, happy birthday. Wish you a good health and happy birthday from the 3 of your babies. Say happy birthday, Dada. Happy birthday po, God bless.
Happy birthday, Kuya. We love you and we'll see you when you come back. Enjoy your day.
Wow!
Say flying kiss natin.
Viva!
Hey, parang Dan, happy birthday. You stay humble, ha? Enjoy like a king. Happy 40th birthday. Enjoy, have fun, buddies.
Hi Kuya, happy birthday. Wala, pinopromote ko lang yung ano namin, yung club namin. Hindi, joke lang. 40th na ba? Ang tanda mo na, parang kailan lang. Thank you sa lahat. Kasi alam mo naman, ikaw laging nagsisave sa akin. Dahil ka na naiambag sa buhay ko. Ambag talaga. See you next year. Ingat ka dyan and enjoy your day, Kuya. Love you.
Happy birthday, Dan. We wish you all the best in life and enjoy kayo dyan sa Pilipinas. See you pagbalik niya rito. God bless you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Love you.
Happy birthday, my friend, Dan. Happy birthday. Ingat kayo palagi dyan. Hintayin namin kayo dito. From Gabaldon, Nueva Ecija, Philippines.
Hello, Kuya Dan. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Thank you so much for everything, for being so nice and very kind. And you're always there for us. Thank you very much. See you soon. Happy birthday.
Hello friend! Happy birthday! Balita ko, 40 ka na. Parang di naman halata. Parang 39 lang. Happy birthday! Sana ma-enjoy mo yung celebration mo ngayon at palagi mong tatandaan, may pamilya ka dito na anytime pwede mong uwian. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Happy birthday, friendship!
Friend! Happy 40th birthday! Sabi nila, life begins at 40, so I hope this new beginning showers you with more blessings and more years to come. Go for gold! Go, 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 friend!
We love you, friendship! Dali na, 1, 2, 3. Hame! Hame! Wave! Happy birthday, friend!
Happy
We love
birthday.
you! God bless! Bye! Enjoy your day! Bye!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Dan. I wish you nothing but more love, happiness, and good health throughout your life. Pagpalain ka. I miss you. Miss ko kayo. Love, love, love. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday. Gusto mo yun? Naka-ring light ako. Miss ko kayo.
Hi Dan! Happy birthday! Happy 40th birthday! So yeah, really we are very blessed talaga to have you as our friend, our batas in Rice Republic. Thank you for extending your family sa amin. Feeling ko nga taga Nueva Ecija na rin ako, and I am always looking forward talaga dun sa time na nagbabakasyon ka, kasi I really feel like a family kapag nandyan kami sa Nueva Ecija. And really thank you sa'yo and sa family. Ang wish ko sa'yo is long life and healthy life, my friend. And sana is matupad mo lahat pa ng dreams mo. I know how you really love your family and how you like na makapagbigay ng joy sa kanila, makapasyal, and yeah, God bless!
Hello! Surprise! Happy birthday, Danilo! I'm so happy to be friends with such a wonderful person. Grabe, siguro yung Dubai days is one of the best part of my life, only because you and EJ and Sanse was there, and kayo yung naging sorry, inuubo kasi ako. Kayo yung naging sandalan ko. Doon ako kumukuha ng strength sa inyo, yung laughs and tears and highs and lows, everything. And you know, alam niyo naman kung ano yung laman ng puso ko, at alam niyo kung ano yung mga, alam niyo na yun. Ayoko lang mag-explain. Basta happy birthday. I'm excited to see both of you, and enjoy your day. You deserve it. God bless you. You're such a beautiful person in and out. Happy birthday. I love you guys.
Hi Danilo, happy birthday. I wish you happiness as usual, success, and all the love in the world. So happy birthday, and I hope you enjoy your new chapter in your life. Just enjoy it right now, but I also wish you good luck, and I am so grateful that we are friends despite the distance, and I am so happy to be your friend. Happy birthday, Charisse.
Friend, happy birthday! Wish you all the best. Alam ko nandyan na, nasa'yo na ang lahat. I just wish you peace of mind, good health, and many more years to celebrate. I miss you. Miss mo na rin ang lugat kong mata. Okay guys, come on. Happy birthday,
Happy birthday! Happy birthday po, Tito Dan! Thank you! Happy birthday po!
Okay, happy birthday, Dan. Merry Christmas.
Happy birthday, my friend. Kita-kita soon. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ninong Dan! Say, wait. They don't love you like I love you. Wait, they don't love you like I love you.
Go! Happy birthday!